Hello people, today we have standing broom, no strings attached, okay? It's not black magic, I don't know what it is. It's just a standing broom, It's like, no strings, like none. Nothing's holding it up. Not even the wall, okay? The wall's right there, it's about a good 2 or 3 inch gap. And nothing there. Nothing is holding the broom up. It's standing on its own. Okay? Which I think is pretty cool. Because I woke up this morning and it was standing there, and it's been standing there for about 3 hours. Which is weird. I wonder if that's a record. I have to look in the Guinness World Record book that I have upstairs. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Cool. It's been standing for 3 hours, hasn't moved, and we don't know how it started standing, but okay, whatever. End of video. This is Royce the Emo. You can just search up Royce the Emo, and it'll bring up some of my videos, which I've only made 2, unfortunately, in the time that I've had my YouTube account. Because I haven't had my YouTube account that long. So, yeah. Alright, bye.